How to buy data wormhole token. This token, it came under the symbol of ABYSS, as you can see. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, after that, this token, it's available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now, this token has the liquidity locked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours, and it came under Solana network. Now, to be able to buy this kind of token that came under Solana network, the best choice is buy it on Phantom Wallet. Now, click here to copy the token address and go and open your Phantom Wallet. Now, after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your network. Now, click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it. Now, here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. From here, select your provider, for example, OKX. Make sure to read all of this information here, and if you are ready to go, just click on swap and you will be redirected to OKX provider page to complete the buy process. If you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here and custom it. After that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the data wormhole token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.